Good morning, students. Welcome back to chemistry classroom once again. Today, actually, I discussed the important portion of this chapter. So, before this portion is not necessary, this portion is not necessary for your exam. That's why I will start from this portion, atoms and molecules. You will follow the important portion, what actually I will discuss. First of all, matter is not continuous. It is made up of very small parts called atoms and molecules. Next, Conrad, the Indian thinker, gave the name Paramanus to such ultimate parts. So basically, atoms and molecules are smallest part of this substance. So Conrad gave the name Paramanus to the such ultimate parts. ये याद रखना है. Conrad, the Indian thinker, gave the name Paramanus to such ultimate parts. Next, atom. An atom is the smallest part of an element that takes part in a chemical reaction. So basically chemical reaction में part लेता है कौन? Atom. The atoms of an element are all alike. That's why they possess same properties. Same way, the atoms of an element are different from others. The atoms of an element show all the properties of the element. Next, an atom of an element is represented by the symbol of the element. So basically, element is represented by symbol. Same way, the atom of an element is represented by the symbol of this particular element. Next, atoms generally do not exist independently. An atom combines with atom of the same element or other elements to form molecules. So atoms combined with each other, they produce molecules. Molecules can independently. So here is a small difference between atoms and molecules. Atoms does not exist independently, but molecule can exist independently. Next, as atoms are indivisible, they always combine in whole number. Next important portion is when, however, an atom of an element combines with atoms of different element, a molecule of compound is formed. So basically, atom of an element when combined with atoms of different elements, they produce a molecule of a compound. Next, a molecule is the smallest part of an element or a compound that can exist independently. Next, pure substance definition याद करना है. A pure substance is one that cannot be split into simpler substance. Normally हम pure substance को simpler substance में break down नहीं कर सकते by a physical means such as a filtration, sublimation or distillation. So pure substance is a kind of substance that cannot split into simpler substance by using some physical methods. Next, mixture. A mixture is a substance that can be separated into two or more pure substances by a physical means such as a filtration, sublimation or distillation. So there is a difference between pure substance and mixture. Pure substance basically cannot be divisible or separated by using some physical method. Same way, mixture is substance that can be separated using physical means like filtration, sublimation or distillation. So student, I hope all of you understood. You will learn this important portion only for your exam. So I hope all of you understood. So for today, up to this portion.